Welcome everybody to the Sound Mob. Today we are going to make the city our playground. Let's have a fun time and get spontaneous. Keep in mind that you're welcome to walk around at all times, just as long as you stay within the entrance hall of the train station. This Sound Mob will last approximately 5 minutes. One last thing. Since we're undercover today, try to act normal, as if you don't know anybody else. Also, ensure that you have both hands free. So let's get this thing started. First, let's see who's with us today. Place one hand to the side of your ear. Now, start walking. Place your hand back at your side. Continue walking. Stop where you are and face the clock, opposite to the entrance. Are you ready for some action? At the count of 3, start jumping in the air. 3, 2, 1, jump! Now continue jumping for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop! Great! So now that I have your blood flowing, it's time to connect with people around you. Take 20 seconds to find strangers and give them high fives. Try and connect with multiple people throughout the entrance hall. Now, let's make it a little more challenging. Let's try and work all together to form a human train. Get it? Human train? At the train station? Find another participant and place your arms on their shoulders. Now, start walking and join up with other trains throughout the entrance hall until we've formed one large train.
Welcome aboard the Aarhus Express. Let's go full steam ahead and encourage others to join along.
On the count of 3, let's make ourselves heard with a whoop whoop. 3, 2, 1, whoop whoop. Now that's a fierce train. Time to hop off the train. Now let's break apart and act as if it never happened. Ready? Go! Continue walking and take out your phone. Now open it and start laughing in the loudest, silliest, and most annoying laugh possible. Go! Now freeze your movement while laughing. You are now frozen like a statue. Good job. Time to unfreeze and continue moving again. Place your phone back in your pocket and continue walking. Now I'm speaking only to the woman in the orange dress. Stop where you are and start spinning. To all others, stop where you are. Find the woman in the orange dress and raise your arm and point at her. While she's spinning, I want you to perform your best dance moves to this music. Stop! Wow, those are some amazing dance moves. Now it's time to bring this to an end. Look at your wrist, regardless if you are wearing a watch or not, and pretend to check the time. You realize that you are so late and have to leave the train station. Exit now, but take your time doing your funniest walk. Excellent job, everyone. Thank you for participating in Aarhus' first ever sound mob and for making the city your playground. Hi.